So, good afternoon everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss about the integration by parts. So, the integration by parts, from the word of the integration by parts is papartihin natin. Or iisa-isahin natin. Just like from the previous lessons that we discussed or we tackled. 'Di ba? Pinaparte-parte natin siya or iniisa-isa. Same at here din sa integration by parts. Ang pinagkaiba lang is we're gonna use the LIATE or the acronym of LIATE. So, let's start with the rule of integration by parts. So, what is the rule of integration by parts? So, the rule is um, integral of u dv equals to u v minus the integral of v du. So, yan. Yan yung rule ng integration by parts. Ito yung integral and ito yung function. Ito yung kailangan nating mahanap or makuha. So, paano natin malalaman kung ano ang u at dv? So, dito na papasok yung the acronym of LIATE. The priority of LIATE is always the first than the second. Li Yan. The acronym of LIATE. So, what is L? Logarithm. Mali. Yan. Logarithm. And I is inverse. Trigo. Then A is algebra. T is trigo. Trigonometric. Then E is exponential. Yan. Supposed to be we have example of 3x squared secant x 5x dx. So, what will be or ano yung magiging u? So, ang magiging u dyan is yung algebra. Kasi we have an algebra and the trigo, by the way. Trigo to, di ba? And this is the algebra and this is the trigo. So, based from the LIATE, the rule of LIATE, makukuha na natin yung u at dv. Kasi, dito siya manggagaling sa LIATE. So, the u will be the 3x. So, ito yung u at ito yung dv. Kasi yung u, yung 3x squared is algebra, which is ito. And trigo is dv. Kasi, based from the LIATE, the priority is first than the second. So, which means the algebra is the u and the trigo is the dv because nauna yung algebra sa trigo. So, let's have another example para mas clear. So, ayan. Example is integral of x secant x tangent tan x and dx. So, yan. What is the u and dv? So, alin dyan ang u at dv? So, we all know that this is algebra at this is the trigonometric. So, based from LIATE, nauna yung algebra at bago ang trigonometric. So, the u will be the x And the dv is secant x tan x dx. So, yan. Sulat na natin. Dito na lang siguro. U is the x, while the dv is secant x tangent x and dx. Yan. Basta yan. Ito yan. Then, so we have u and dv. Meron na tayo yan. So, dito naman tayo. Meron na tayong u. So, wala pa tayong v. So, paano natin makukuha yung v? By integrating these parts, makukuha natin yung v. So, it would be v equals to secant x. So, yan. May v na tayo. So, the integral of v, may v na. So, du naman. Du. So, makukuha natin yan dito. So, du equals to dx. Derivative of du is dx. So, the next step is substitute value nito dito. So, integral of u is x and v is secant x. Yan. Then, minus the integral of v, which is secant x, and du dx. So, yan. So, the next step is ito, kopyahin lang natin, x secant x, y. Kasi, na-integrate na ito eh. Ito, di pa. So, ito lang. Focus tayo dito. So, minus. So, what is the ng secant x dx? So, by the rule of integration is ln secant x plus tan x plus c. So, that would be the final answer. So, ganyan lang po. Let's have another example po. So, another example is we have integral of x c raised to x dx. Let's copy the liate. So, what is the u and dv of the rule of integration here? So, we all know that it is algebraic and this is exponential. Algebra and exponential. So, based from liate, mauna yung algebra than exponential. So, let u as x, then dv is c raised to x and dx. Yan. So, by integrating this part, makukuha natin yung v. So, it would be the cx. Then, here, the integration of this is du over to dx. Yan. So, by applying formula which is the uv minus the integration of v du, substitute lang natin yung mga value nito. So, the integration of u, which is x, yan, x, then v is cx, then, huwag natin kalimutan yung dx, then, minus the integration of v, c raised to x, then, du, dx. So, yan. So, the next is, let's write the integral of u and dv. So, integral of u and dv equals to the function, which is ito, u, v, minus integral of v du. So, the u is x, v is c raised to x, then integral of v, which is c x raised to x, and du, which is dx. So, yan. Then, it would be x c raised to x minus, kalimutan natin yung minus dito. May minus pala yan. Minus c raised to x plus c. So, that would be the answer.